Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, as you can see right now I am on the terrace, and as you can see that it is still under construction. That's why guys, whenever I come to the terrace it doesn't feel like I'm on the terrace, just because of this unfinished construction. And my main purpose is to come to the terrace is to get some fresh air. But just because of this unfinished construction, I don't get fresh air often. But it is what it is. What can we do now? As you can see behind me. Yes. So guys, actually I didn't have a plan to make any video, but as soon as I came on the terrace, I thought why not make a video today. Actually today I am feeling out of it. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens guys. You don't feel good, you feel low, and you don't even know the reason why you are feeling like this. It happens guys. I know it happens with everyone. So, or if I talk about the time, it's 4:35 p.m. right now, and as you can see the weather is quite pleasant. It's cloudy and it's a little bit windy here. And if I talk about the weather of this city where I am currently living, I mean I live here only, but if I talk about the weather of this city guys, it is super hot in the daytime, okay, and as evening approaches it gets cloudy and sometimes it rains also. Okay, so I like this kind of weather. It balances. I mean it's hot half day, and other half day it gets cold. So yeah, but sometimes you might feel sick due to this constant change in the weather. But yeah, as you can see, it's little bit windy here. Let me show you the entire surrounding. Yes guys, so yeah, let me show you one more thing which I really like, that there is a huge plot behind me. As you can see, people do farming here. They have sown a lot of crops there, as you can see. I don't know about what crops they are, but yeah, I will get to know once it grows. When I see the that vegetable, then I will get to know that what crop is it. And what to say guys, I really don't know. See, peasants over there on the boundary wall of that terrace. If I talk about here guys, you can find a lot of peasants. They make a nest in the ventilator of the house and they live there. And in the morning, if you give them some grains like wheat, rice, whatever it is, they come and they have it. Herds of pigeons are there, herds of pigeons. Guys, sometimes I feel that speaking English is really very hard. Okay, but yeah, I know that it needs practice. The more you practice, the better you speak English. So that's why, even if I don't feel like making video right now, I don't feel like speaking, but still I am pushing myself to do a little bit of practice so that I stay consistent and it will be good for my English at least. I know guys, that's why I'm making this video. And right now, as you can see that I'm running short of words, I'm running short of ideas that what to say. Still I'm trying to say anything whatever just pops to my mind. So this is how guys you have to practice. You should also practice like this whenever, just even for just 5 minutes or 6 minutes, but try to be consistent, because you must have heard that consistency is the key to success. Okay, that's why even if you don't have topic, just let it be, just grab your phone and start recording and saying anything. Okay, at least you can practice this way, in this way, right? If you don't have any particular topic to talk about, just start saying anything about your surroundings. Like, as you can see, there is a huge plot behind me, there is a lot of houses there. Some houses are colorful and some houses are still to be painted. Okay, and you can see that there is a coconut tree. It gives me, sometimes it gives me a vibe that I'm in, as if I'm in Kerala or south side of the India, because they have literally a lot of coconut trees. Okay, every person, I think every person in the south, okay, they must have coconut trees in their house. I mean, it is compulsory as far as I know. So you can see, so this is how you can practice your English. Like, as you can see that there is a background noise. I don't know, I think some person is doing their work with the drill machine. That's why, I mean, that voice is emanating from that tool, okay, that is used to drill the wall or anything. So this is how you can practice your English, because most of the time we don't have any topic, but we have to make any topic and we have to speak, open our mouth, just in order to practice English. This is how we can practice our English. As, let me tell you guys, no, I thought something went into my eyes. That's why. As you can see here, there is a water tank, syntax, and here this TV. This is how you can practice your English. This wall is in green color, although I don't like this type of color. No, it looks very, I don't know what to say, I'm not getting that word, but it looks so bright. I don't like this type of color. And I am just having a stroll on my terrace. As you can see, I am having a stroll on my terrace. Let me check the water level in the syntax. Oh, it is full. It is full, as you can see. And this is the area from where water comes. When tank, this syntax gets full, then the water starts coming from this area. Okay, I don't know what it is called. And you know what guys, I feel a drop of water on my hand. It feels like it is going to be rain. It is going to be rain, guys. It is going to start drizzling. And as you can see, that pigeons, they have gone to that place that they find it safe, just because there is a shed on that place. There is a shed on the top of that place, so that they can protect themselves from the rain. That's why they have gone there. As it starts blowing, wind is getting. Oh my god, guys, as you can see, it's drizzling. It's drizzling. I told you in the beginning of this video that sometimes it rains too. So, as you can see, it is going to be rain, guys. Rain is going to be started. I don't know what I am saying. You can see trees are swaying, moving a little bit if it is visible. So this is all about this video, guys. I know that I can't believe that whatever I have said in this video, just so this is how you can practice your English, guys, just in a fun way. Just try to make it simple and funny as well, and this is how you can practice your English too. Okay, so I hope you liked this video.